What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a wild card from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. Now these eyes are hexagonal shapes, so we start with the top edge first. So let's step over towards the left side. We're going to draw a slight angle from the outside, coming down and then in. Let's do the same thing over on the right. So we're going to leave a gap, line this up, angle up, and then out. From the inside, we're going to angle down and in towards the inside of the eyes. Then we're going to come down and out towards the bottom. Let's move to the outside. From the top on the left, we're going to angle down and out. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to come down and in with a short line. And then we're going to connect the outside to the inside with a straight angled line. Let's go in and fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to move out and draw the lower half of the head. From this point in the eye, we're going to step out. We draw a half circle, coming down towards the bottom of the chin. We'll round this out, come up on the right side. Now let's draw the top of the head. Starting back on the left, we go straight up. We're going to round out the top of the head. Now we're going to bring this around and then down on the right side, coming straight down. Now there's 5 straps around the perimeter of the head. Let's start with the one at the very top. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left, draw a short line coming down on the left and right side. Now we'll close this off with a straight line. Now we're going to add another one on either side of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to angle this down, come down to the bottom, and we'll close it off with a straight line. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, come down with a short line, and close off the inside. We're going to come down towards the bottom. We're going to angle these up, starting on the left, and close this off with a straight line. Now we're going to line this up on the right. Now we're going to draw the inside of the strap. From the bottom corners, we're going to step in, draw a short line coming down, close off the bottom with a straight line. We're going to do the same thing to the other straps. So stepping in, draw another angled line, close off the bottom. Now we want to draw the outside of the strap. We're going to take these 2 lines, we're going to extend it up above the head with a short line, and we'll close it off with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the other straps. Now let's draw that large diamond over the left eye. In between this point in the eye and the side of the head, we start with a dot. From this dot, I want to curve up and in just on top of the left eye. Up and into right about there. Go back to the outside, we're going to curve down and then in. I'm just going to line this up with that top line. From the inside point of the right eye, we're going to step in, start with another point. I'm going to go up to the top and draw a straight angled line coming down towards that point. Now we're going to connect this bottom point to the right side with another straight line going up. Alright, now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. We start with the sides of the body first. So over on the left side, we're going to step down. Start out here, we're going to curve out and down towards the hip. Go over towards the right side, curve out and down towards the right hip. Let's go back up towards the chin. We're going to leave a gap in the center and draw two straight lines coming down the inside of the jacket. So over on the left side, we'll draw a straight line coming down. I'm going to come down a little bit further than the hips. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming straight down. From the inside of the jacket, I want to curve out and up towards the hip. Let's add the collar of the jacket. From the top, we're going to step down and go down and out towards the left. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. I'm going to pull this down and in towards the inside of the jacket. Let's move back up. About halfway along this line, I'm going to angle up and out. And we'll angle up and in underneath the head. Let's add two pockets on either side. From the hip, we're going to step up, angle down and in, and line this up on the right, do the same thing. Go straight up with a short line, and we're going to angle up and out towards the side of the body. Then we're going to add a jacket pocket on the right side. Starting from the collar, we're going to go straight across. On the inside, we'll come down with a short line, and go straight back out. Now we're going to add some detail on the inside. Starting in the center, underneath the chin, angle down and out towards the left, and then the right. Let's add the knot of the tie. Over on the left side, along this line, we're going to angle down and in. We want to leave a gap in the center. Close it off with a straight line. And then in the center, underneath the knot, we're going to step down, draw another point, angle up and out towards the left, and then the right. Let's finish off the tie. From the bottom corners, we're going to angle down and out in behind the top of the vest. Let's go back to the center point of the vest, draw a straight line coming down to right about here. We'll angle down towards the left and then the right. Now we're going to add two buttons on the vest. One on the top, add a little circle, come down, draw that one more time. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve. From left to right, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we'll curve out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, we'll curve out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, I'm going to curve down and then up towards the toe. Now back on the left side, we're going to round out the top of the foot. We're going to curve up towards the top. We're going to round this out. We're going to aim towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. And we're just going to bend this back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve up, round out the foot. Now aiming towards the heel. And then we'll bend this back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to move back up to the hip and draw on the side of the leg. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out, round out the leg, and then pull that in on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on the left and right. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, so starting right here, curve out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to start with the thumb. We're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then back out. At the bottom of the thumb, we're going to draw a bracket. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that half circle, curving in and out, and then we'll add a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. So we start at the bottom curve of the thumb, we curve down and up around that bracket, add 2 more fingers. Stepping down, curve down and up the second finger. Now along the side, we'll curve out the 3rd finger, come up and in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with the 1st finger, 2nd finger. Now the 3rd finger is going to go all the way around and then up in behind the head. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the cuff of the sleeve. Start from the inside of the wrist, we're going to curve up and then down. We'll step up and draw that twice. Do the same thing over on the right, curving up, then down, step up, draw that twice. And there we have it. There's Wildcard from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please give this video a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.